Well, I say morning to everybody. Creole boy there again. We don't leave vlog. Um, right now I did at Chetumal. So you know Chetumal that the world stamping ground for the Belizeans where travel to next country, yeah, and in Melchor. So I did some couple videos already, and just I never made a plan to do any videos in time, but I just do something like I leave video for make individuals see where Chetumal look like now, they know. Um, the difference with when I would have figured back in the early 80s when the money dropped the water that Chetumal and a whole heap of people used to come over here, and they used to make a lot of make a lot of money because they used to buy and sell because the thing they used to be really cheap. But now cheap at all. Actually, a lot of places where I find more expensive. You have some places where you could get some lead deals and so forth. But it is what it is. So I just did at this spot. This open 24 hours and place where I like as you could find depending on where I stay and buy different things. So it's really nice to remind me of places like this that foreign. I hope when they do good, I hope everything they go alright. I hope they make much right. I know we live in our crazy world, we just to get crazier. So how I say, try count your blessings. Something where I used to hear from the time I was young. Count your blessings, yeah. So I just want to do a little walk and show no downtown. And I hope you enjoy. So this is a nice little area. See at the background. I want to show you something. This place I got some nice stuff. Check this out. The cartel. Heineken. Then they got the actual 40 ounce. I don't check this out. Actual Corona 40 ounce. Corona. Just depends on you don't like the cartel. The 40 ounce, I'm not try that yet. It's not come across, I have to hit one of them there. Got some energy drink. So it's really nice. It's a really nice place. You have these snacks. So it's really nice. You have this right there where you could buy a little pizza. Really nice. And then where you could warm it up. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy that little tour. I look for roll out.
Okay. Bueno, pues no tiene caso que deposite nada.
De nada. Yeah, so we deal with that right now. Alright, so we'll start the tour. So this is a nice spot, Sir Hills. Good pizza, good food, real good ambience. People are really friendly. For me, we differentiate a place where I would give a high mark. The food, yes, of course, you want good food, but for me, the more important thing that the atmosphere, the staff, friendly, kind, and them are really cool. Nowadays, it's really difficult to find a really nice place because why look pan the for you really excel at something where excel at something, anything, in this case, restaurants, you have to love what they do. And when you love what they do, you want to put that love in it. And when you put that love in it, the people where they cater for feel that love, and that will come. Yeah, so past that at Parisina, at our fabric store. I know back in the day, my old lady used to, when we come over here, used to always go there, which is really boring, for me at least. So, for anyone where not going out for a long time, back in the 80s, the 90s, and somewhat in the beginning of the 2000s, this used to be the area where used to, a whole heap of people used to there. A whole used to there. So in the 2000s, like probably 2005 and beyond, you had the mall, and the mall pretty much the mall pretty much take over, and this whole area start going. At one point you had quite a few places where I used to go close up. I mean, they gone 24 hours restaurant, then they gone. So just to cross or just to watch the traffic. I don't want to get knocked down from one of my YouTube video. Yeah, so what I notice, it make one come back. You have more people. You have more people where pretty much to visit this area. You have more shops. You have more things to see. And when you go to the mall, there are days there, it's really boring comparing to the many times after they may open. People used to flock there now downtown at the place where you find like a balance out. Yeah, but it is what it is. I remember back in the day, and before I continue, I go put in the comments if you remember Chetumal and on experience, and I would have liked that. I know I don't wanna my experience. So when I get married and I come over here for my honeymoon, my wife for the first time, I want to walk everywhere. He said, "You crazy or what? Catch a taxi cheap." But I tell she, I used to come over here a lot. So she asked me, "So I never used to catch taxi?" I said, "No. Everywhere we walk, big vein in our way, we our neck, one a big bag. Come over here, come shop, right?" The lady they hide the face, but they hide the face and I me see she like me, they say. They crack me up. Amen. So my handmaid, muscle up. My wife want to know, oh, your hands so big. I remember Chetumal and he crack up. He said, yeah, whenever I used to catch taxi. So that just one of the fun experience for me. So tell me, when experience back in the day, man. Love fight. Yeah, so I just only slight video where I want to make. And I want to make one next one, but I think that can be one shot with the mall. Make you not get a sense of the mall slightly. So just want to take a slightly video there more one shot. Alright, I'm gonna take care. So before I go, showing out that hotel right there. Can't remember what that name. But nonetheless that gone in too. That gone in and that pretty much the history. And I would have figured that the economy, you know. And I want to show you another hotel where a lot of Belizeans go. You actually have signs in there where show the appreciation for Belizeans that was focused. So you still find Belizeans when you go there. They want to stay for sure overnight. Alright. And over there, not far, that the whole market. Now they head over there right now to grab and leave tacos and leave breakfast. So now take care. This is more like a leave vlog. So you know, I look for kind of the works to upgrade my video system. But yeah, you have to push more and more, like I say, when it comes to this YouTube. This is something I love, and I try my best to do it as long as I'm able to do it. For sure, I want to thank all our subscribers, new subscribers, the ones that will comment. You have new features that they try out. The YouTube platform, like one of the features where they try out that pretty much only subscribers could comment. And they try out that features, you have some more, and you know, you'll learn, you'll get a stats. You have to try out things. So I still, the process to learn, and as I get more subscribers, it seems like I get more features at my disposal. Walk up on Lee Hill kind of out of breath. Alright, I'll take care, stay safe. And remember, don't take nothing for granted. We're in a very negative world. But always be positive, because we got a lot to be thankful for. Love you, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.